Mentang sngi u Conrad ke sama Menteri Rambak ke jylla. Ula pelat paiba ya lai Tylli ki kali ket mar Jaboh kum ki Dawai bat ki tiar ki ba pendan kam kum ha ki hospital ni ki BI0-MEDICAL waste disposal vans harkat ke jingadan lang u Menteri ke Urban Affairs ba Hamlet Sondoling hasket riat. Ya kini ki lai Tylli ki kali la thiet na ke Chief Minister's Relief Fund bat ban pendan kam kawai hatura kawai hajuai bat kawai pat ha Shillong. Nagalang Menteri Rangba ulai kublai kerpang ya gitu baro ki bala no senyang syaka Chief Minister's Relief Fund baru angru baki ni kelai Tylli kali penyarap shisha banyarap khamtam ha kini kapor ke klam covid kat kendai.
Today we have flagged off three biomedical waste collection units, and these have been funded through the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the individuals who have contributed generously to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, and today with that money that has been given by the people, this three pickups which are biomedical waste unit collection units will now be given to Shillong, one, and one to Dawai, and one to jylla. And during this COVID time, I'm very sure that this particular pickup and this particular collection unit will be of great benefit to society as a whole.